Hello everyone, myself Sumit Kumar Srivastava, and today we are going to discuss about parallelogram law of forces. So firstly we should draw parallelogram. This is parallelogram A, B, C and D. So according to this law, if the two forces are represented by adjacent side of this parallelogram, suppose this is force P and this is force Q, which is passing through the same point A, okay, so their resultant will be represented by the diagonal of this parallelogram, which is passing through the same point only. That means this line, and it is represented by capital R. Suppose the angle between P and Q is angle theta degree, and the angle between R and P is angle alpha. Now let's derive the magnitude and direction for resultant R. So let's extend the line AD and draw a perpendicular from C. This is represented, this point is represented by O. Okay, so consider triangle ACO. ACO. According to Pythagoras, we can write AC square is equal to OC square plus AO square. Also you can write AC square is equal to OC square plus AD plus DO. AD plus DO whole square. Okay. Also you can write OC square is equal to OC square plus AD square plus DO square plus 2AD DO. This is equation first. Okay. Now consider triangle DCO. DCO. AD is parallel to CD and their magnitude also will be same. So CD also represented by Q. Okay, this angle is theta. That means this angle also will be theta. So here DCO cos theta is equal to DO upon CD. So you can write DO is equal to CD is represented by Q cos theta. Okay, sin theta is equal to OC by CD. So you can write OC is equal to CD is Q sin theta. So from equation 1, after putting the value of DO and OC and other, you can write AC is represented by R, capital R. R square is equal to OC. OC is represented by Q sin theta. Q square sin square theta. AD is represented by P. So P square plus DO is represented by Q square cos square theta. Q square cos square theta plus 2AD P, and DO is represented by Q cos theta. PQ cos theta. Now take common q square from this two. You can write q square sin square theta plus cos square theta plus p square plus 2pq cos theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So overall we are going to get r square is equal to q square plus p square plus 2pq cos theta. So this is the magnitude of the resultant. R square is equal to q square plus p square plus 2pq cos theta. Now if you want to derive for its direction, angle alpha, so you can consider the triangle ACO. ACO. Okay. So tan alpha is equal to OC by AO. OC is represented by Q sin theta and AO, AD plus DO, ADP plus DO, Q cos theta, Q cos theta. So tan alpha is equal to Q sin theta upon P plus Q cos theta. This is the direction for the resultant. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.